Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install NetSuite SuiteCloud detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have the necessary credentials for your NetSuite account. Log into your NetSuite account using your administrator credentials. Navigate to the Customization tab in the main menu. Select SuiteCloud from the drop-down options. Click on SuiteCloud Suite App to access the SuiteCloud installation area. Locate the Suite app you wish to install from the available options. Review the details of the Suite app to ensure it meets your requirements. Once confirmed, click the Download or Install button associated with the Suite app. A pop-up window will appear with the terms and conditions. Read the terms and, if acceptable, check the box to agree. Click the Continue button to proceed with the installation. Next, specify the scope of the installation. Choose whether to install it to the production account or a sandbox environment. Follow the prompts to configure any required settings during installation. Ensure you have set the appropriate permissions for user roles. Once the configuration is complete, click the Install button. The installation process will begin, and you will see a progress indicator. Wait for the installation process to complete, which may take a few moments. Upon successful installation, review any installation notes provided. To verify the installation, navigate back to the SuiteCloud area. Check the list of installed Suite apps to confirm that your chosen Suite app appears. Test the functionality of the new Suite app by accessing its features. At this point, you should also review user training materials for optimal use. Consider any further configurations that may enhance workflow efficiency. Finally, monitor the Suite app's performance and gather user feedback for future adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.